Jai Shri Ram doston, how are you? Yeah, I know your answer. You are always fantastic, and I am also. So welcome back, guys. Again, today is our probability first lecture. Not lecture. I am telling you approx 4 to 5 questions, and 4 to 5 questions are 4 to 5 concepts from Bayes theorem. Okay, today we will discuss Bayes theorem, and I am not teaching here Bayes theorem proof, Bayes theorem theory. Now I am not telling you. I am just telling you questions. Which type question is asking in CBSE board, your school exams, different. Okay, so this video is very important for you, and today we will discuss first type problem. Okay, so first a small introduction of Bayes theorem, a small introduction of Bayes theorem. So what is the Bayes theorem? Bayes theorem actually what is the mean? Bayes theorem means probability for a particular case, probability for a particular condition in particular case. Is it clear? So it means if you want to probability of EI by A, EI is that event situation and A is the condition. A is the condition. So it means P of A by EI into P of EI divided by law of total probability P of EI into P of A by EI. This is the Bayes theorem. Okay, this is Bayes theorem. So EI means indicate, this is condition. A means we want to probability of that case. So P of EI into P of A by EI into summation P of EI into P of A by EI. This is the Bayes theorem. So now we will take a question, then after we will discuss this question. I am telling you approx 4 to 5 questions for you. That 4-5 questions type for you. So this video is going to be very important for you. So don't miss a single second. Okay guys, so please watch full video. Okay, so now question is, let D1, D2, D3 with the 3 mutually exclusive disease. Okay, let S is equal to S1, S2, S3 ... S6 with a set of observable symptoms of this disease. For example, S1 is the shortness of breath, S2 is loss of weight, S3 by the fatigue, etc. Suppose a random sample of 10,000 patients. Okay, how many patients are there? 10,000 patients. 10,000 patients. Okay. Which has 3,200 patients with disease D1, 3,500 with disease D2, 3,300 with disease D3. Also 3,100 patients with disease D1, some for D2, some for D3. Show the symptoms. Yes, it means these are second condition. 3,100, 3,300, 3,000 is that S. Show the symptoms S. It means S means this set, any one of them. Clear or no? Knowing that the patient has symptom S, the doctor wishes to determine the patient is illness on the basis of information. What should be the doctor conclude? Okay, so this is a good question for law of total probability and Bayes theorem also. So now we will solve this question. So first we will find the condition. What is the condition? So condition, what is the condition? Condition is very easy given. What is the condition is given? Simply. We will discuss first P of even. P of even is equal to 32. 100 divided by 10,000. P of E2 is equal to 3,500 divided by 10,000, and P of E3 is equal to 3,300. So 3,300 divided by 10,000. I hope you understood this. So P of even is equal to 32 by 100. Similarly, P of E2 is equal to 35 by 100, and P of E3 is equal to 33 by 100. Okay, now student very confused, sir, if these are even E2, E3 for D1, D2, D3, so why we giving again actually 3,200 patient for D1, जिसमें कि which has 3,100 patient of D1 actual symptoms are there. It means Actual means intersection. It means intersection means P of A intersection of E1 is equal to 3100 divided by 10,000. Same P of A intersection E2 is equal to 3300 divided by 10,000. Same P of A intersection E3 is equal to 3000 divided by 10,000. Sir, how to understood you? Actually, what is saying? Actually, he is saying simply show the symptoms as, knowing that the patient has symptom as. Is it clear or not, everyone? Yes. This point is clearly given. This point is clearly given. Clear or not? This point is clearly given. So no issue. So understood why I am finding this. Because 32 patient in disease D1 as so much 3100 showing the symptoms. It means 3100 and 3200, 31 is the common. Is it clear? Now we will find the P of A by E1. A by E1. P of A by E1 is equal to intersection divided by P of E. So 3100 divided by 10,000 divided by 3200 divided by 10,000. 10,000 cancel, 20 cancel, 31 by 32. Is it clear? Now P of A by E1 because of symptoms are there. So we will find the probability law of total even how much symptoms for 3200 upon 10,000 which has 3100 actual disease. Is it clear? Now I know clear. Very important question. P of A by E1 similarly P of A by E2. So P of A by E2 is equal to 33 upon 35. 33 upon 35. I know you understood this. Same P of A by E3. A by E3 is equal to 30 divided by 33 divided by 33. So now these all are conditions, symptoms are there. These all are symptoms are there. I hope you understood. Clear or not? Now we will use the Bayes theorem. Now we will use the Bayes theorem. Bayes theorem what is saying? One more important point. The doctor wishes to determine the patient illness on the basis of information. What should be the doctor concluded? Okay. So simply question is first find the use the Bayes theorem for different situation. For different situation. Different situation means we will first find the E1 by A. E1 by A means P of E1 into P of A by E1 and divide by sigma I is equal to 1 to 3 Pi into P of EI into P of A by EI. Okay, I value 1 to 3. Chalo, okay. Now we have the condition. Is equal to P of E1. P of E1 how much given? P of E1 is how much given? 32 by 100. 32 by 100 into A by E1. A by E1 is 31 upon 32. 31 upon 32. Guys, P of EI summation 32 upon 100 into 31 by 32. Similarly, plus second condition 35 by 100 into second condition A by E2 33 by 35. Same third condition 33 by 100. 33 by 100 into third condition 30 by 33. 30 by 33. Okay. Now we will solve this. 32, 35, 33 to 33. What will remaining? 100 to 100. Cancel out 100. So 32 cancel. So there is 31. Divide by 31, 33, 30. So it is 94. It means P of E1 by A means E1 means first disease D1 symptoms property is 31 by 94. Same you will find P of E2 by A. Same you find P of E3 by A. So these all three conditions, these all three situations. So where this means maximum patient in E1, E2 or E3 you will find. So E1 patient probability is 31 by 94. Same for E2 something and E3. Same method how to solve, how to use the Bayes theorem in this types of problem. So guys, it is a very important part of probability. One question in 5 marks or case study. I am telling you, for 5 marks and case study. It is a very, very, very important for you. So guys, I know you like the video, so please do comment and like the video. Thank you so much guys. We will meet in next video. It means next question we will discuss virus problem, because virus problem question is very, very viral problem. So we will meet again in next question. Thank you so much guys. Jai Hind, Jai Shri Ram to all of you, and don't forget subscribe our channel Origin India. Good night.